So beautiful, aren't you? So handsome. Oh, whoops. Didn't see you there. Today what we're going to do is find out who the winner of this Tokes Titanium Ultralight 550mm cook set.
Kia ora folks, RDB, your local Bushman.
If you folks remembered, I'm doing a giveaway to tie up a loose end with 2018. Apologies for getting to this video very late, like actually 1 month after I said it's supposed to close. I've just been so caught up with getting prepared for university, juggling different computer bits and sorting out my next big adventure after university. So apologies for that. What we're going to do today is find out who's going to win this. This is going to be a very short video. Now, I did 3 random drawings, okay? 3 random drawings. And I picked 3 winners. The reason why I done that is because I kept getting the same names from my subscriber list all the time. So to be fair, I done it 3 times. I picked out 2 winners. Okay, one's a backup winner in case the main winner does not contact me. Okay, the winner, I'll put your name in this video. If you could get in contact with me within the week and send me your details, just contact me on Facebook via Facebook message. That way I know it's you. Send me your address and I'll send it to you as soon as possible. I'm going to try send that to you within a month. Apologies for the slowness of that delivery. It's just because I'm very busy at the moment, but I still want to tie up this loose end. So apologies for that. Okay, so the winner is Mr. Lee Ralph. Congratulations, Lee Ralph. You are the winner of this Tokes Ultralight 550mm titanium set. The backup winner, and this is not rigged at all. I tried this 4 times, not rigged at all. The backup winner was actually one of my bros, Leon Wiki. So he's a backup winner. So just in case, Mr. Lee Ralph, if you don't get in contact with me for within 1 week of this video being posted, I will give it to Leon Wiki as he was our backup winner. And this was not rigged at all. I pulled it 4 times. I did the old school trick. Put all the subscribers' names in the hat and picked them from random. And it kept popping up with your guys' names. So, yeah, congratulations. You have won this. If you'd like to see in a little bit more detail, I'll do a quick, not a review, just a quick unboxing. Here we go. Tokes Ultralight Titanium. It doesn't include the spork. Sadly, I lost it, so apologies. But you know, in New Zealand, these are still worth without the spork $100. So you can't go wrong. That's New Zealand. So what you're getting, Mr. Lee Ralph or Mr. Leon Wiki, if you are our backup winner, is you getting the Tokes Titanium 550mm pot. I'm still doing a current review on this. I did post a review for when some gear suppliers contacted me a few years ago for that. I might put it on the channel. Haven't decided yet. So you get the 550mm pot with the lid. Okay. Great system. You get the solid fuel stove and you get the titanium windscreen. All up that weighs 100 and, if I can remember correctly, 114 grams. So it's some gram weenie stuff, which I also like as well. Not the big branded stuff. I'm more into the DIY or inexpensive, good quality Chinese stuff. That's what I'm into. But yeah, congratulations, Mr. Lee Ralph. You have won this set. Please get in contact with me within a week, okay? If you do not, sadly, I will have to give it to Mr. Leon Wiki, as he was our backup winner. That's just due for postal sake, and I wanted to give at least 2 people a chance to win this. Your guys' names were pulled from the pool. As I said, I've run all the names multiple times. So congratulations, Mr. Lee Ralph. You have won this giveaway. Now, in regards to the next giveaway, it is open to everyone. Anyone who subscribes, you're automatically entered. It was the same as this giveaway. You didn't have to contact me. I decided just to enter everyone anyway. So if you want to be in tune for that, just obviously subscribe and revert to my updates video that tells you the criteria. I believe it's, you have to tell me something about Slavic culture you like. It could be food, it could be women, it could be men, if you're into that. You know, whatever you're into about Slavic culture. It could be the language, could be their tones, their weird humour, anything like that. So just, yeah, that is open. If you want to pre-enter now, officially opens August. That competition, the next big adventure giveaway, that is open August. The prize, I am potentially giving away a really nice pack. Brand new, obviously. I have a couple packs that I have left over from my gear reviews when I was doing them for suppliers a couple of years ago. Brand new. I've never used these ones at all, period. Potential, what we could have is maybe, actually, you know what, I'm not going to say, I'm just going to leave it to guess. When I officially announce in August, I'll let you guys know. So thank you folks for watching. Congratulations, Mr. Lee Ralph, you have won that. As I said, please get in contact with me as soon as possible, and I will ship this off to you within the month. As I said, apologies for the delay, I'm just super busy at the moment, trying to pump out these videos before university comes, because as you folks know, I won't have much time to do videos. So I'm trying to do a whole lot of batch loads, different editing, trying to edit my TA documentary still. So yeah, thank you folks for watching. Ka kite on the bliss trails, and I shall see you again. See you later.